Thinking about buying the best car emergency kit, but not sure which one to choose? With so many roadside safety kits available, it's hard to know which one truly delivers. Some focus on powerful air compressors, others highlight durable jumper cables, while many promise complete first aid and safety tools. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real customer reviews to bring you the top 5 best car emergency kits, perfect for drivers, travelers, and everyday commuters who want to stay safe on the road. Don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which emergency kit is the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. This all-in-one car emergency kit is designed to keep you safe during unexpected roadside situations. It includes a powerful digital air compressor with auto shutoff for quick tire inflation, heavy-duty 12-foot jumper cables, and a complete 108-piece first aid kit for basic medical needs. You also get essential safety tools like a tow rope, reflective warning triangle, flashlight, gloves, and emergency accessories. Compact and easy to store, this kit is perfect for drivers, travelers, and families who want reliable roadside assistance anytime. Item number 4. This car emergency kit is built for durability and reliable roadside performance. It features heavy-duty 10-foot jumper cables, a 10,000-pound tow strap, and a portable air compressor for quick tire inflation. The kit also includes a 7-piece tire repair set, tire pressure gauge, headlamp, and essential safety tools like a window breaker and reflective triangle. With a 90-piece roadside set and 48-piece first aid kit, it's perfect for drivers, families, and travelers who want complete safety and peace of mind. Item number 3. This complete car emergency kit is designed to keep you prepared for any roadside situation. It includes a portable air compressor, durable 12-foot 6-gauge jumper cables with 500-amp power, and a compact first aid kit for basic care. You also get essential tools like a tire repair kit, flashlight, and safety accessories. Lightweight and easy to store, it fits perfectly in your trunk or back seat. Ideal for new drivers and families, this kit ensures safety, convenience, and peace of mind on every journey. Item number 2. This all-in-one car emergency kit gives you peace of mind during unexpected roadside situations. It features a powerful air compressor with a 100% copper motor, inflating tires quickly up to 150 psi. The kit includes heavy-duty 500-amp jumper cables, a first aid kit, tow rope, warning triangle, reflective vest, and essential repair tools. Designed for cars, trucks, and SUVs, it's perfect for daily driving, road trips, and outdoor adventures, ensuring safety, reliability, and complete emergency preparedness wherever you go. Item number 1. This practical car emergency kit is designed to keep you safe and prepared for everyday driving and unexpected situations. It includes essential tools like jumper cables, a tire pressure gauge, first aid supplies, LED headlight, gloves, and emergency poncho. Made from durable 600D nylon, the bag is strong and easy to store in your trunk or back seat. Perfect for road trips, winter travel, and daily use, this kit ensures you're ready for breakdowns, minor issues, and roadside emergencies anytime.